So we've all heard the term essential amino acid, but what exactly does that mean? Well, hopefully we know by now that proteins are just chains of amino acids, which just means, all the amino acids, the building blocks, make up proteins, and those proteins are used in our body. Now, of the thousands of different amino acids we have discovered in the human body, only about 20 of them are considered standard. So all the proteins are pretty much made of some combination of those 20 amino acids. So think of it like letters of the alphabet, right? On their own, letters of the alphabet don't really do anything, but when you combine them, you're able to speak coherently, you can build sentences, and you can communicate with people. The same thing with amino acids. On their own, they don't do anything. They don't serve any purpose. However, when you combine them, when you connect them into big chains, you're able to make proteins, and you're able to use those proteins for functions of the body. Now, of those 20, 9 of them are essential. And essential amino acids cannot be synthesized in the body. Our body does not have the necessary enzymes to build them or make them on our own. Therefore, we have to consume them from external sources in our diet. The other 11 non-essential ones can be made. So if I were to eat 0 grams of protein, I could make those 11 non-essential amino acids from stealing intermediates from metabolism, stealing things from carbs and fat in order to synthesize those molecules on their own. The 9 essential ones cannot do that. We need to eat them. We need to consume them from our diet. So when you hear that a food contains all 9 essential amino acids, that in turn makes it a complete protein because it contains all of the proteins my body needs in order to sustain protein function. Now, luckily for you, all animal foods will contain all 9 essential amino acids. So meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, all of these will contain all 9 essential amino acids and therefore all 20 that my body needs to make other proteins. Those are your essential amino acids. Those are the ones you need to focus on in your diet. And that is a quick lesson on proteins and how you can use them in the body.